Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Good
Suresh.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good evening.
You all. So, who else is here? Dr. Praveen Patel.
Yes.
Ani, Chandra Reddy, Vittal Dixit.
Great evening, sir.
Great
Hello.
evening, Vaida. How are you?
Fine, sir. Thank you. How are you?
Very, very good.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, Suresh sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good
evening,
evening.
सुरेश जी.
Good evening, सेठी साहब कैसे हैं?
बस आपका आशीर्वाद.
Very nice.
Good evening, Mr. Suresh.
Good evening. Okay, so welcome all of you, 31 people. Few will join.
Good evening, sir.
So, what is mastermind? Anyone can come in.
Good evening. It's an NLP technique.
No.
The group that we are.
Becoming the master of our own mind.
Okay. What else? Anyone else knows what is mastermind?
No.
All the great minds coming together.
A platform. Yeah.
All the great minds coming together, little close.
Yes, sir, to create synergies of ideas and have a bigger plan.
It's a platform of learning from each other, from one another.
Absolutely. Tajurba.
Tajurba, yes.
You know, right now, अगर हम 1000 साल का तजुर्बा यहाँ बैठा है, and we all have some learning to give. So in the normal training session, what happens? Okay, let me mute everyone. Then whoever wants to speak, unmute yourself. You know,
Yes.
just आपको बोलना हो तो just unmute yourself. Otherwise, let it be a little cute. Quiet. Okay. So the idea of mastermind is very, very popular in West, in United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, and people pay around $25,000 to $30,000 to be in that. And it's normally are people who are very established and very, very rich and successful. This is what had been happening in the world. So in India, there are a couple of masterminds, unknown mastermind, but they are very close masterminds. So people meet at a fixed interval, and then one person tells the problem that these are the challenges I'm facing in the life. And it has to be in that close environment. It's a very, very confidential also, because people sometimes tend to share their personal problems also, and then the whole group brainstorm to solve it. So it can be professional or personal, related to financial, related to business growth, team, or anything. On a larger scale, worldwide, there are two organizations I know. One is EO, Entrepreneurs ORG. So there's a fee 19 lakh rupees. And very difficult to get in. 3 types of interviews happen, then people get in. Then the second one is YPO, where Mukesh Ambani is also the member. So they also have a buddy system where they, two people, I want mentorship from you. So I want mentorship from Mukesh Ambani. Or a meeting with him, I have some advice from him. He has to give me time as a YPO member. That is Young President Organization. The limit is $100 million business minimum, and age is below 50. So that's YPO. On a smaller level, in a community like this, we will create our mastermind in a way that it's not very close group. It's definitely a community of our Tajurba members. But here also we can put our brains together to solve challenges and problems faced by people. and brainstorm on one topic. So my idea is that we will have every week, a normal training. I am talking only and you are listening. Here we'll all be communicating and brainstorming. And we'll fix a topic for every week that this time we'll discuss this topic. So maybe there are some experts sitting in this group on that topic and they can put value on the table. Or I have whatever input from my side, I'll put in. Right? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the idea. We have started this. That Tuesday we meet in an informal setting, and then we brainstorm on a common problem and particular topic. So, like right now, the topic today in my mind is, for example, what are the recession-proof businesses? You know, some businesses like travel and all are very, very badly hurt. On the other hand, there are certain businesses thriving, like, you know, my business, e-education, e-learning, technology business. So they are thriving, they are growing. So similarly, to identify businesses and how can people diversify or learn new skill, because these are very unprecedented times. And in these times, we all need to, you know, have multiple streams of income also. Earlier, the thought was that we should be so focused on one business. But if the one business happened to be travel or restaurant or tourism or a hotel, that's gone. We have member Edgar Kota from Goa. I had you know, discussion with them day before. 5 hotel, 270 rooms shut down for last 5 months now. Revenue is zero, and they're depleting their cash flow and bank loans are there. Nothing is happening, and they don't know what is going to happen. So we brainstormed on a one-to-one level yesterday, what to do. So we found out they were all coming from they were lecturers. So I suggested that, you know, when you've been teaching all your life, why not start teaching now again online? And they have a wonderful, they are into music also. They send me their song, I'll post in the group. Wonderful YouTube, very cute song. Both the twin brothers, they look like same, absolutely. उनके बाल भी एक जैसे ही गए हैं एक टाइम में. ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया. रहस्य के ट्विन ब्रदर्स का बाल भी एक साथ एक टाइम में कैसे जाता है और एक ही जितना, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. Same hairline. So very nice people. We met them. मैंने बोला हम लोग अपना ट्रेनिंग वेनिंग उधर ही करेंगे गोवा में आके खुल जाए. So you know, those kind of issues, what to do? They need 2-3 income now. जब होटल शुरू होंगे, but उसके साथ में उनको e-education or something other business which they can handle should start in this time. चलो time लगेगा, 90 दिन लगेगा, 6 महीने लगेगा, but at least next recession में तो नहीं फंसेंगे. And then by the time अच्छा time आएगा तो 2-3 income हो जाएंगी. So let's brainstorm on this and एक सबको मैं फिर से बता दूं कि we do 11 AM YouTube live every day. So for half an hour, I'll bring in some billionaires, some successful entrepreneurs, take some learning from them, and then from my own. So, you know, so join that if you have time. Otherwise, watch those videos at your whenever time is available to you. And I'll promote 1 or 2 members in every session. So I take names of the people, and if I know your services, I'll promote in that show. So let me know what do you do in advance that you are attending, and then I talk about you when you join there. I see people live or I talk about you in that session. So that way, you know, people who watch later, because YouTube videos, as they get older, they become bigger. Sometimes millions of views in next 3-4 years. So your business is going to remain there. So 1 or 2 guys I talked about, I'll show you what they have done. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let me put the sound on. I want to show you something very interesting of today. There's a guy, R.D. Singh. He's a singer. So I promoted him today. He pulled out that clip. I'm trying to find out from my show today, and he's posted on social media. And yeah, I'll find that out and post in the group, so you can see it, that how I do it. A lot of people are regular there, and they know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's kickstart the session with some cash flows issues businesses are facing these days. So first of all, the sales start to dip and the cash flows start to hurt every small businesses. So how do we solve that? If you have emergency fund, it's fine. If you don't have, then what do we do in that? You know. But first of all, everyone should prepare for reserves. I was coaching one export company for last 1 year, and I started putting their 5% into the FDRs. I said, you know, your turnover is always going on and you don't save any money. So as on today, with that habit, they have 1.5 crore sitting in the FDs. So that reserves giving them a lot of assurance that at least, you know, whatever happens, they have this kind of money. So if you haven't built those reserves going forward, keep in mind, but come up with the money, be creative that what money you can come up with the MSME loans or anything, subsidy scheme, whatever you can come up with, try and do that. And customers are not paying. Today, one gentleman visited me for lunch. He said, people are not paying, and you know, vendors are chasing us to pay. It's a catch-22 situation that your clients are not paying, and vendors are then chasing you to pay. So in that case, you need to have a very strong follow-up. You know, I've seen normally what happens is that in my company, in e-commerce company, my accountant comes to me with a budget that this is the inflow of say 10 lakh rupees or 20 lakh rupees this week. And on the top of it, the vendors to be paid who are calling every day. Those vendors who are calling every day are put on the top of the list. And those who are not even calling, they are forgotten, they are put at the end. That ye to abhi bol hi nahi raha yaar, isko agli baar dekh lenge, you know. And the money is always tight. It's rarely happened that we have 10 lakh to pay and we have 20 lakh in the account. We have normally 8 lakh rupees, 7 lakh rupees. We say who to pay, you know, the rest will pay next week. So the top of the line people who come, who are always, you know, following up, that our invoice is due, it's 1 month due, it's 2 month due, or we need money. So those people are always given priority. So keep that in mind. And you know, if your suppliers are struggling, this is the time to make very strong relationships with them. And now the problem is with everyone, yeah, crying baby gets the milk. Thank you, Vittal. That's true. You know, even a dog cries when he needs something. So, you know, make your friendship with suppliers. Now, what I am doing currently, all my social media, everything is done on barter. I say, okay, I'll do my coaching services to you. You give me your, you know, digital media services. So that is kind of saving on every kind of expenses. Whatever, wherever you can save, small or big. Like say we have changed our plan to family plan Airtel. So each one was paying 1,200 rupees. Now the whole family is paying 1,200. So we had, you know, internet connections we are cutting off, and whatever we need, that is what we are keeping. So cutting down expenses at this time, staff morale is low. They are always fearing whether we'll survive the job or not. So be transparent with them. You don't have to remove them, but cut the salary wherever you need to cut if there is a requirement. Don't pay if you don't have to pay. Pay only the kharcha pani. That when the time comes, we'll cover it up. But be transparent. You don't have to show really your books, but be transparent with your employees if you have your employees. So these are the certain issues every business is facing. And now I would like to come and I want everyone's participation now. Open your mute if you want to speak, but make sure there is no background noises. So what are the recession-proof businesses? This is very, very hot topic right now. And we need to do it for people whose businesses are destroyed and people business who are slowed down. So they need to get into something which, first of all, start generating cash for them immediately in next few months, or at least when the good time comes, they will have another line of business. Whatever they do, they survive in these times, and then later, when the good times come, they'll finally be having more stream of income. So from my side, one business I see is to start with is insurance, which everyone needs. Everyone needs. And today, insurance brokerages are very, very big sum. One can take that kind of arrangement with the insurance company where you train people under you. So now they have started applying something like network marketing principle. So if you have 100 people under you, they end up getting same kind of commission if they go direct, but you get override because you have recruited them. So not only you do your own business, but there are people who are working for you, hundreds or thousands, or depending on how big your network. So we have KM Sharma in our group. He started doing YouTube live 2 months ago. So right now he's training 150 people. So first of all, they are paying him for the training. Though small amount, 500 or 1100 rupees, but money is money. And then second thing is when they get trained and start working in the field, he will get override commission. So this is one takeaway from me, which I have seen is definitely recession proof. Everyone needs insurance, and especially health insurance. Looking at the hospital's bills, 20 lakh rupees, 30 lakh rupees. So people are underinsured. They have policies of 5-10 lakh rupees, which is not sufficient at all. So this is one area, corporate health insurance, where you cover thousands of employees. So I see a good revenue, good commission, 7 to 15%. Sometimes it goes up to 30%. And every month on renewal, you have money in the bank. And once you build up a good client base and keep adding, then this is ever increasing revenue. Any other suggestion from now you guys? This is now Mastermind Group, and we all are in.
Yeah, my suggestion is another is pharma, retail or wholesale.
Pharma, retail or wholesale. I want to make notes of these.
Yeah, pharma, wholesale, retail, especially looking at chronic therapies in focus. Chronic therapy and nutraceuticals in focus.
Little bit, would you expand on this a little bit, Harish?
I'm Rajiv.
Rajiv H, yeah.
Yeah. See, chronic therapy means especially, looking at the pandemic now, with a lot of job losses, economy going down. So what has happened is cardiac problems, blood pressure, depression, all this has gone up significantly.
Right.
Okay, and it is taking toll on the health. Like for example, people who have not moved out of the house for the past 3-4 months, they're actually going mad, depressed.
Yeah, there's a lot of anxiety there. I see
anxiety there. Many people have their salaries slashed down by 50%. Okay, so therefore all this is taking toll on them, giving rise to depression, giving rise to blood pressure, giving rise to kidney disorders, giving rise to blood pressure, diabetes, all this. So therefore what happens is chronic therapy is going up, number one. Then number two, what is happening is nutraceuticals. Now the fad is, people are telling that you take a lot of vitamin C, okay, zinc, then a lot of vitamin D3, okay, and so on. A lot of nutraceutical and Ayurvedic preparations to be taken. Yeah. You showed yesterday.
So I
vitamin
am
C.
taking vitamin worth 25,000 rupees from a company called Now in America. I imported those.
Yes. You showed us yesterday.
Yeah.
So therefore, what is happening is nutraceuticals has become now, and even probiotics is a part of. I can add probiotics into nutraceuticals also. Actually, it's not a nutraceutical, but probiotics also helps in building immune system.
Right.
So therefore, under this circumstances, anything which is related to immunity, anything which is related to people's well-being is on the rise. Whereas acute therapy is like day-to-day, like antibiotics, okay, cough syrups, then painkillers. All this is little. The market is going down. The reason is people are not going to the doctor. they are taking their local medications. Today, everyone is afraid to go to doctor. So therefore, acute therapy is going down, chronic therapy is going up. So if you have to, segregate, I would say that if you want to fall into this line, this is one area which is very lucrative. Lucrative means you will get steady income. People are going to fall sick. And today it is Corona, tomorrow it may be something else, and go on and on. Pandemics will come and go, but it will never go. Pandemics is there to stay. H1N1 still goes on, right? So therefore, I think this is one area which I feel is recession proof. And then people are also going mad into sanitization. So therefore, mask,
Yes.
sanitization,
Yes.
all this has become order of the day. So this is one business where, the scope is immense. We have just reached out to, I think 10% of the population. There is a huge population available where, you can still sell sanitizers, where you can sell
Mask.
masks. Yeah, and you can, then you have PPE kits are not very important now. PPE kit is only limited to hospitals, but these two have got a very big market. And another area which I would propose here is you look at selling pulse oximeters,
Also, yes.
infrared thermometers.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, and then you look at selling BP machines and diabetic checking machines, because this use is going to go up. Today, digitally, telemedicine, teleconsulting is going up. So when a doctor is going to consult the patient telephonically or through video or through Zoom, what first the doctor will ask information from the patient is, what is your temperature, what is your pulse rate, what is your BP, and what is your diabetes.
Okay,
What is
okay,
the
Rajiv. So thank you. I would like to take input from other people also. Chandrasekhar is saying let's stick to cash flow. Mahmood, please mute yourself.
Sir, this is Avin Desai. Can I speak?
Yes, Avin, go ahead. But everyone be brief, so that other people also get chance. Avin,
Hi, good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, basically, we did analysis and we also tried for starting of some new ventures or business in this pandemic. But we found very difficult to set up ourselves apart from our own business. So what we thought is backward or forward integration in our business is much better than finding a new product as a manufacturer or as a trader. So that is one point. And second point, with what we are targeting, always everyone is targeting, majority people are targeting big amount of big ticket size of client. Rather than that, अगर हम लोग छोटे-छोटे client को इस वक्त ज़्यादा important देके, क्योंकि उनका payment भी safe होता है ये particular time पे, तो उनको ज़्यादा focus कर ले तो शायद ये अच्छा option हो सकता है. Thank you.
Okay, so a lot of comments are coming. Today's topic is cash flow. Today's topic, I started with cash flow, but the topic is recession proofing your business.
Yes.
I just want to clarify, but it's okay if anyone wants to talk about cash flow also, because that is also very, very relevant to this whole pandemic situation. So anyone wants to talk about cash flow, or we talk about recession proofing, diversification, skilling, learning new skill is perfectly all right at this time. So thank you, Avin, for your input.
So can I talk?
Yeah, Vithal, go ahead.
So this is regarding, as you rightly said earlier, we have to reduce our expenses to the extent possible.
Yes.
And try to increase your profit and sales activities. Besides, since I was a banker, I can say that your sundry debtors needs to be screened, and whosoever need to do follow up and take money from them and discount, offer them discount 10%, 20%, and get the money from them. So it will help you in increasing your cash inflows and restrict your outflows to the extent possible. As you rightly said, you can postpone, since the only crying babies get the milk. You can postpone some of the vendors, your sundry creditors, so that in next week or after 15 days or 20 days, and pay on priority basis the vendors which you think they are important from your perspective or business point of view.
How do you guys feel about the takeaway food business? Are people eating from outside or mostly homemade?
It is mixer. Some are ordering from Vaishali Hotel on Permission College Road. They are now started with the home delivery.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it is picking up. Idli dosa and all such matters. Slowly it is picking
Right.
up.
Yeah, it's picking up. I've seen a video from Paris yesterday that people are now going out also. They're becoming fearless. They're going to restaurants and, you know,
Yes.
Cloud Kitchen is very nice, Ramesh Narayan is saying.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is another thing I've seen during this anxiety, what, you know, he was talking about that people tend to indulge in sugar and
Yes.
during the tension and stress period.
Yes.
They eat more cakes, chocolates, and pastries. Is that right?
Correct.
To some extent, sir.
Whenever we are in stress,
Good evening,
situation,
sir.
we crave for sugar. Good evening, Deepak. How are you?
Sorry, I'm late.
Yeah, so ice
Today I had gone
creams
for some
and
meetings. Just came back.
Here, a grocery store is always a very, very.
Yes. Yes.
One of our member, Amit Chaturvedi from Faridabad. So I had suggested him, think that he had one chemist shop. I said, this is the time to expand.
Yes.
Open more chemist shops, and there is one thing I want to place idea on this group. Delhi NCR or places, I don't know about Mumbai, there are a lot of suburbs, new townships come up. So in those townships, if you have a little bit money and book your commercial shops there, where a lot of residentials are coming up. So what happens in that is that the first thing required there is grocery and chemist.
Grocery and chemist, yes.
Right?
Yes.
So you buy the shop, book the shop. By the time that project is ready, people will start to live in. Or the other time to entry, Deepak will agree with me, is when the possession is being given.
Yes.
If there is one jump comes, supposing you book a shop at 10,000 rupees square feet, and one jump comes when the possession is given. So shop goes to say 15,000 rupees square feet.
Yes.
Second jump comes when you see other brands coming in. So, you know, there is a Starbucks came in, suddenly the prices will jump.
Yes.
And when the people move in, I have seen prices jump from 10,000 to 2 lakh rupees. I've seen that happening in the commercial place.
Yes. Yes.
And you have your chemist shop, it's paying your, you know, shop expenses, giving you a little bit. McDonald's started with this idea. They say our business is not burger, our business is real estate.
Real estate, yes.
So you have 10, 20, 30 of these chemist shops, and then when you know, all these localities are fully, inhabited, people are living there. That is the time if you want to cash out or you put it on rent, you have solid rental income.
Yes.
And you normal time you earn your 25-30% margin from the chemist shop. That was one idea always at the back of my mind. And he implemented it during these like 3 months. He's opening 3 more shops. And the chemist is in pandemic is a booming business as it is. And it was open.
Can I come in?
Yes, Deepak.
Another very good business in property is those who have got warehousing arrangements in outskirts of all the cities. Like in Mumbai, there is warehousing happens all in Bhiwandi.
Yes.
So at present, it is doing very well. Amazon, Flipkart, everybody has got their huge warehouses.
Yes. Yes.
Over there. And return on investment over there is approximately 9 to 12% per annum on your investment. So that is a return which you will get nowhere else. 9 to 10, bank is paying us hardly 5% nowadays. So 9 to 12% plus your property appreciate. And Amazon and Flipkart, they are long-term customers. They give you lock-in period of 9 years, 12 years. So it's a fantastic proposition.
Yes, and land prices are very, very cheap in outskirts. Here in Gurgaon, they have warehouse, we send our goods are almost 50 kilometers away in a place called Tauru in Sona. Very, very run-down place. They have a big warehouse there, and you know, we all send our shipments there.
That is the best place to invest, sir. Bhiwandi is also same. You know, you must be very well aware of Bhiwandi, sir. It's very close to Kalyan.
Yes.
So Bhiwandi is booming now.
No.
Any ideas on the cash flow people now who have, like I was talking to Edgar yesterday, he's got 12 crore loan from Cooperative Bank and he's not eligible for 20%. This new scheme has come.
Which scheme?
The 20% government says existing loan if you have, so emergency loan, 1 year moratorium.
Yes, yes.
So any other person knows any other scheme where people who are short on funds and how to raise funds in these times?
Okay. Raising funds this time is the most difficult. Very difficult to raise because banks are not giving loan currently. They are very skeptical in giving out loans, new loans on
They are
any
giving,
property.
Deepak, they are giving 20% emergency loan. Modi has instructed people, banks,
Yes,
to
yes.
disburse, and they are disbursing very fast. It's kind of no question asked. If you have a 2 crore loan, 20%, 40 lakh, you are eligible right away.
Yes, yes.
That only
There's one new scheme,
PSU
CGT.
banks are giving that. Even I have a loan with ICICI, they are not giving the 20%.
Not giving?
PSU bank, you write a letter immediately, automatically, without write letter also, they will ask you, immediately it is encashing. All my connected other business people got it. What is the 29th of, 28th of February, what is your outstanding? For example, your outstanding 1 crore, 20 lakhs will get it.
Right.
Maybe your loan amount may be 1.5 crores. Maybe you might have paid now, outstanding on the amount is 1 crore.
Yes.
Immediately 20. Only PSU banks are giving that.
Oh, only PSU. Okay.
Others has to give, but they are not giving. They are not lucrative to this.
So there is a catch in that. There is a very big catch in that. Very big catch in that.
This scheme is for only for the MSMEs.
Why don't we take up this matter, sir?
I will.
Something, Suresh sir, now to come out this Tajurba into the limelight. Our group is started, now the business growing. Slowly we have to go into a catch to the government. We have to start shouting to the government now. Something will notice. Okay, because you are now representing a lot of MSME, that is the dream also, 1 crore MSME. But what is MSME needed in business wise? If somebody will not talk with that, different ministry, today maybe energy, tomorrow maybe commerce, tomorrow maybe another day maybe finance minister, something this Tajurba will start, making a performance over there. So our whatever was this Tuesday, whatever we are discussing. Deepak sir, now I'm interrupting your this. Now what we are discussing over is the survival. Now we don't, most of the people are not having the money to invest. Now we are discussing over to survive. At present level, all business stand still. Nobody have money. How to survive further? Maybe business people got stuck up.
Survive. So definitely this is the biggest challenge of businesses. Which
it is a challenge. That is the master brain work we are doing over here. Our small group. Maybe one idea now. Suresh sir started with this insurance. Okay, we may be thinking insurance. Maybe now some other idea. This is the first knowledge to me. This we create a people. We get money like that. He is telling if we become a leader for that, we get additional money to that. We need not to do, others will work, we get the money. This is a new knowledge to me. So we never think about, in the insurance, we'll think at what amount we will get it, go to 100%. There may be people to go. We will have to train them. I'm right, sir?
Yeah, absolutely.
Mr. Suresh, I would like to tell you something in this scheme.
Yes, go ahead, Atul.
So they will immediately give you 20% sanction of that amount. Number one, if you say 3-4 months interest payable is pending, they will deduct that interest for them. The balance amount, they are going to put it in an FD account and they will say, you run your business and 9 months our interest is covered, so we will not disturb you for our interest payment. So they are not really reimbursing it. Technically, sir, if you see honestly, like, okay, 9-10 mahine ke liye, they will not disturb you, no phone call ki my interest is pending, so you can concentrate on business.
Yes.
But realistically, that amount is not going to come in your hand to reinvest in the business. So just somebody can make sure. I am not able to get it from here, but somebody can find it out, this thing.
Can I intervene here?
Yes.
See, the fact is, I got 30 lakhs rupees in my account about a month back. Okay, on 28th of February, my total loan from in cash credit was roughly my limit was limit is 1.5, but it was some 1 crore 48 lakh was the outstanding as on that date. So 30 lakhs I was entitled for that. However, if you go on the Google and find out, type FAQ for credit guarantee scheme. See what Modi ji has done. He has asked central government to give the guarantee on our behalf to all the bankers, including cooperative. But these cooperative people, they are, somebody wrote, Pragnesh Thakur wrote, they are behaving on their own. They are not falling in line. Okay. But I got money from ICICI. Many of my friends got from ICICI. Few people got from HDFC, Axis Bank also. And regarding SBI and all that, absolutely no problem. Now, somebody raised an issue that how it will not work. Number one, if any EMI is pending on a business loan, then they will not give. Number two, your GST should be fully paid, okay, up to March end. Number three, any of your EMI pending on non-business loan will not matter. So it is not difficult. In ICICI, somebody is talking about ICICI. ICICI has a particular relationship officer assigned to every borrower. Talk to him, he will do it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Chandrasekhar, for your input. Anybody from the tech industry, because I see technology booming. In last 2 months, I have signed up with MailChimp for the emailing GetResponse, $200 a month. I signed up for StreamYard for my YouTube Live and Facebook Live. What happens from this platform, I can go live at 2 places at one time, $20 a month. Calendly for my coaching and everything, give my calendar. Another $8, $10 a month. So I've signed up like 5, 6 services like this. The Americans are very smart. They come up with these services where they are subscription based. Shopify, we have our e-commerce store. We pay every month $30. So think on those terms now. People who are in the technology business or want to get into that. So think of these terms where you build some product and people are paying you all over the world every month. We just think traditional, that we traditionally business karte rehna. We don't try to be creative. Like Sukumaran said, this is a new knowledge to him. That insurance industry, you can build downline of 1,000 people, they are working and you are getting money on top of it. And the commission rates are very, very high there, very good. So keep in mind the technology part. Always keep thinking about it, study and, come out something with out of the box thing, that what can you do which can be a subscription based. Like we come up with Tajurba app. So now Tajurba app, we are talking about 1 crore people. So 1 crore people paying small amount of membership to Tajurba every year is going to be huge. And that huge is going to multiply in the stock market if we get listed to another 60 times. So think of subscription-based models, that what can you do aligning technology. Now Tajurba app is going to be very, very high-tech, where you put in the keyword and someone needs your services in the flash of the second you get notification, which is not there. BNI and all are still doing the same traditional way, that do the meeting, give referrals to each other. What about if someone needs service in Bangalore and you are sitting in Mumbai? You should get that instantly in your inbox, that someone is needing this service. So the matching will be very, very quick. The business between the community will accelerate. And then if we can do going forward Alibaba model, that, we put now supplier and buyer don't know each other. So you put the money in escrow there, and when the buyer says, okay, I have received the goods, I am satisfied, you release the money. So that is going through you is another great valuation part. Like what is a credit card company doing? You swipe the card, it goes to the merchant and it counted in their turnover. Book My Show. You pay, buy a cinema ticket from Book My Show, it counted in their turnover and see their valuation.
Yes, yes.
So these are certain ideas I'm giving you, food for the thought, that now in this pandemic, keep, brain malish jisko bolte na, keep malishing your brain for these kind of ideas. Maybe in a small way you can do something, but start building those things.
Sir, may I get in?
Yes.
Sir, Hello.
Ah,
Sir, may I getting?
yeah, Yogesh.
Sir, I am in multiple businesses and in computer hardware and electronic selling also.
Ah.
So what I have seen is the last 2 months IT industry is booming like anything.
Yes.
And I had crossed my last over turnover in just 2 months.
Right.
In
IT
and,
hardware, software, what Deepak Menda's son
Yes,
is saying
both.
laptops are sold off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So we are means achieve our last year turnover in just 2 months only.
I was buying this webcam of Logitech. It was available last one 12,000 rupees. Now it's available for 20,000 rupees on Amazon. That also says one piece available.
Pricing is very high nowadays.
Yeah. Webcam, everybody wants. Mic, webinar, people are doing, they need mic. Okay.
Sir, I wanted to buy iPad Pro, could not source it anywhere. Everybody is saying out of stock.
Okay. See? So these are the things, pet care. ना हमारे डॉग के लिए हर महीने वैन आती है बाहर, वो बढ़िया अंदर जाता है, शैम्पू वैम्पू करा के चमकता हुआ बिल्कुल 1200 rupees. We will not buy shampoo for ourselves, but dog will go into air conditioned van. They come, they park outside our house and give him shampoo, give him nice wash, combing, everything, clean his ears, everything, and he comes out like like a bride comes out from a salon. So these are certain things which are definitely recession proof. We paid for our car repair today 27,000 rupees. Because it was making noise, the brake pads were gone and all that thing. So, we send it to the workshop and the repair will always do well. Whatever. Every day we calling sometimes electrician, plumbing services. So all these services are very, very recession proof. Any other idea anyone come?
Sir, may I cut in?
Purva?
Yeah, sir, actually, I am a certified nutritionist and
okay.
habit that while I really work on
Apurva, we can't hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, now it's better.
Yeah, so sir, I generally travel and I like to eat something whenever I'm working. So
Right.
that gives me an idea to formulate some recipes for trail mixes, granola bars and chocolates, which are having less calories, they are more filling, they are nutritionally sound, and they give you the micros that your body needs. So we did a pre-launch of our chocolates. We have sugar-free variant and dark variant. And so you won't believe we already have 1.5 kilo chocolate orders of these immunity boosting sugar-free chocolates.
I am looking for sugar-free chocolate. I haven't had chocolate for last 4 months.
Okay, so definitely once we are out in the market, I'll definitely be sending you some. And our flavors are definitely inspired from Ayurveda because I read a lot of ancient texts which give us the idea. And why not blend it with something that we enjoy eating and we can also make nutritious at the same time.
Send me some samples for feedback. Na?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
I'll promote it to my YouTube live.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. I'll be making a batch soon, and definitely I'll be sending you some.
Very nice. Any thoughts on senior citizen care, home care, health care, something like that?
Sir, we have those in the later point of plan, but because COVID, we are currently restricted due to our into our geographical location. So currently, we are only able to deliver in Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, and we have to send out a shipment to Delhi because we have another kilo order from there itself. So once COVID, the travel relaxed, we have to meet up our vendors and everything has to be finally put in paper, and then we'll proceed with the channel that.
So can we order like a kilo from you?
Yes, sir, absolutely. I'll send you the flavors that we have.
Okay.
And we can look into it.
Yeah. I'm very health conscious these days. So I'm on keto and all those things.
One more business
recipes because I love to experiment different diet styles on myself before I suggest to anybody else. So I can infuse any kind of flavor into anything, I take a turmeric chai and you can't even taste the turmeric in it.
Very nice. So Saransh, you are listening. Everyone
Sir,
asking your
Business is
number.
there.
You are in high demand, Apurva. Write your number in the chat box.
So,
Yes, sir.
sir, today unfortunately the video can't be started, but I'm listening to everything. I'm here.
Yeah, so just get in touch with Apurva for your project.
If somebody has got goes on a right track, is of sanitization of commercial premises, offices which will open up. So
Yes.
the sanitization part will be the main playing part in the business now. Those who can do proper sanitization business of all the offices, disinfection and sanitization, this will go very long.
One of our Tajurba member who was into travel, he started it big way. So what he's done, instead of keeping stock of anything, he tied up with the top distributors and importers of all the meters and this and this. So whatever order comes in, he'll take the advance and deliver. So there's no risk involved. He mitigated the risk and he tied up with his sanitization and all those things. He's doing offices already.
Okay, good.
And I am talking of service, not of sell.
Yeah,
Service, providing service to the commercial premises.
Yeah,
Service
he's doing
will
it
go
already.
very long way. He's doing service.
Yeah, he's doing services.
Taking contracts from the commercial establishments. Yeah, servicing, if you provide manpower who will come and do the deep cleaning, do the sanitization, disinfection, that will do very well now.
Yes.
At least for next 2 years, that business will go very strong.
Okay, right. Apurva, a lot of people asking your number. Apurva Rath, please put in the comment box.
What I've said is actually we plan to introduce the granolas and chocolates along with some specialized infused tea in a subscription based model. Like based on your ailments and your mood, you can order teas.
You're going to do very well. You're going to do very well. Whenever you want to go public, let me know. I will invest in your company.
Suresh, hi, Vinod here from Chennai.
Hi, Vinod.
Hi. I was listening to what Apurva was mentioning. If you recollect, I also mentioned about a food-based business. So that's something that I'd like to connect a little later. It will consume a little bit of a bandwidth, so not to crowd out here. But that's a nice concept in which we are also working, so we can explore synergies.
Correct. Very nice. I was reading a few days back that there are a lot of interest of rich Indians now migrating abroad because of COVID. They see the medical conditions here and the infrastructure and the problems we have. So they are thinking of moving to first world country now, permanently immigrating there. So immigration service also come to my mind as a good space to be in. Any thoughts on that?
So can I tell you something on this?
Yeah, tell Atul, go ahead.
There's already a gentleman, an ex-banker. He has started for the last 1 year. He has developed his connects all over the world.
Yeah.
And somebody wants to establish an office, then he takes out the complete getting your company registered, your visa challenges, your travel challenges, getting the space, and each and everything. So the moment you are ready, you can just go and establish your company, even your bank account also. In a place like Singapore also, you don't have to go. It can be done sitting in your office here.
Right. So the way these first world countries have handled their medical facilities and the way they control the COVID situation and all those things, New Zealand, Australia, Singapore for that matter. So these countries have done very, very well. In Scandinavian countries done very well. So these are the places the rich people want to be in now. Instead of air hospitals denying them and people are dying. Some people are dying, hospitals are denying them bed or anything.
Yes.
All right. So any other thoughts on recession-proof business or cash flows?
I'm Deepak. Just an input for Apurva.
Yeah, Deepak.
There is a company known as TrueWeight, which is South-based, and that is looking into all this healthy food for weight loss and all this. She could look into their products and she'll get a number of ideas.
Okay, thank you, Deepak. Thank you. So this is the the whole idea to bring this community. Otherwise, like any other trainer, we deliver the training and the relationship over. We want to keep the community thing is that one that's become a large family and support and help for each other. And then it becomes a, good big business model for every one of us involved here. That people get business, and then next year when people renew and this becomes a large community, and we can, like Sukumaran was saying, we can negotiate with the government if we have power of community.
Yes, yes.
What policies we want for our members.
So we can become a think tank also, part-time, we can become a think tank regarding the MSMEs, and before every budget, we can publish our paper and forward it to the respective ministries. So this is professionally, we can pool our ideas at your base, and somebody can compile it and come out with a white paper or blue paper, whatever name we can give after 1 year. So it can become a think tank sort of thing.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
It happens, and the government listens to, these kind of big communities and chamber of commerces and all that.
So we can make it a Tajurba think tank where a lot of retired bureaucrats come and join just free of cost and put their inputs and other things. That can become a networking for them also. The retired people where we can use their expertise for the last 30 years free of cost, because they need to kill their time somewhere.
This is the nice way of putting is using their Tajurba.
Yes.
So bringing all the Tajurbe on the common platform and using their.
So it was just came as a flash of thing which we can refine it, and really it can become a separate vertical, knowledge vertical.
So our Tajurba and the young entrepreneurs' energy can create a lot of magic.
Yes. Lot of these retired even in public sector CEOs, after that they don't know what to do.
Right.
So they can just their knowledge base suggestions.
There was a speaker at Tajurba who comes from defense. He says a lot of defense people who they retire, they are very active.
Yes.
They have maintained their health and they are so active and young that they feel what to do now. So it's actively working on, re-employing them and getting them business opportunities and all those things. He says we have around lakhs and lakhs of people there.
Yeah, yes. I'm one. I'm Deepak. I'm retiring in 4 months.
From where?
I'm presently at Bhatinda, but generally will be in Delhi.
Okay. You're in defense?
Yeah, I'm in the army.
Okay, Deepak.
So, sir, we can, in our annual seminars, we can bring one topic on one day for how to develop discipline, military discipline in the life. So they can be called to address us.
Yes, very good suggestion.
Sir Atul, for that there is no need. Every 365 days our programs are going on. He can invite one by one. We can plan it. Suresh sir can invite them, and that will be a relation starting one.
Yes,
Because
very
now,
nice.
Present stage, for example, some financial experts are sitting. So how to overcome? Now we are discussing over his one word can make another development.
I agree with you.
Yeah. In our day, because now we are talking with the success people. What about the failure people? Who will call for a failure people? Nobody will.
No,
So,
sir, we
so
can do
the
something.
failure people.
Failure-based success.
No, that is right. Failure-based success. That always it won't happen. There must be a push and pull. Somebody must be in the backbone second time. Second life is a very big life. It's like an accident. We may die or we may come up in the second life. So this everyday program, if we'll focus instead of now a business story, that is okay. Parallelly calling the retired people, calling the ex-ministers, those who have now, everybody is online. They can put one idea. We can ask him, what is your suggestion for the present scenario, sir? I'm right, sir, Suresh, sir?
Yeah. So good suggestions coming. Please send these. If you have any people you want me to invite them over for my show on 11 a.m., I'll invite them. There are a lot of experts out there who can benefit the community and other people from their knowledge and tajurba. Pragnesh is putting in a lot of intelligent comments. Why not, Pragnesh, you come and talk a little bit for a minute? Pragnesh?
No, Vipul this side.
Yeah, Vipul.
Sir, my request was, I think Saransh can help us out. We need to have a solution like whenever there are threads on WhatsApp, it becomes long and painful at times. For people to see messages course.
People, we can't hear you. Hold on. There are some noises from Ashok Rath has got a lot of noises. Let me mute him. Yeah, people, go ahead now.
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah. Say that again. We could listen to you.
So, my request was, like, if something has to be communicated, like yesterday, there was a request from somebody I know. This gentleman is in Hoshangabad in Maharashtra. And he was he's a school teacher, a crafts teacher, and he has been removed from his school due to this lockdown. He's making different figurines, the art forms. So for such people, if we can help them promote, earn their livelihood, how it can be done. So how to go about such kind of, such kind of proposals amongst our community, and maybe we can help such people out.
So that will be two ways. One is that we first of all help our own community, each other.
Absolutely.
Then we create a Tajurba Foundation and fund in there where we can have a CSR fund and other fund and help these kind of people also outside the community.
Because
your charities, which you had talked of initially in your program,
yeah,
some of which could be contributed towards some of these people,
Right.
taking training for people like KM Sharma or something.
Right.
That would be making them stand on their feet and
Yes.
more productive.
Very nice. Yes, Deepak, definitely.
And yes, they can join our own community. There are a lot of people out here, and they will get business.
Right. So everyone has been here present today. 68 people have been added to their own city groups. If anyone is missing their own city group or their region, so you all are in a main Tajurba Game Changer group for the information. But networking groups we have created in every city. So anyone who is not added and missed our messages, please send me WhatsApp message your city and I'll add you in your city chapter. Because we'll be starting live meetings on Zoom after 15th August of different cities. We already appointed regional directors for the city and they'll be conducting the meetings there. So that the networking happen in their own cities and regions also.
Sir, I want to add something.
Yeah.
Can I? Sir, in Recession Proof Business, I am a school teacher. I teach 11th and 12th accountancy and business studies.
Yeah.
So right now, due to COVID, students are facing problems. School की teachers से नहीं पढ़ना है tuition coaching. तो tuition coaching online आ जाए. So they are looking for online teachers, online education. So that is also a recession-proof model.
Right. E-learning and education is big. It's huge. What I am doing, I'm doing education only.
Yes, but your student base is different. The school teachers, they are small children. So anybody here, 11th and 12th, किसी के भी बच्चे हो तो I can teach them accountancy and business studies.
Pragnesh, why don't you come share your ideas here? You're typing very nice comments in the comment box.
हाँ जी सर, हाँ मैंने 2 बार ट्राई किया लेकिन कोई बीच में आ जाता है, इसके लिए
आ जाओ कम.
Sir, shall I ask?
Yeah.
Pragnesh come.
So Jyoti sir, मैं बोल सकती हूँ?
Jyoti after Pragnesh. Hold on.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Pragnesh, you come. Pragnesh, unmute.
हाँ जी सर.
Yeah.
हाँ, आ रहा है अभी सर आवाज बराबर?
बिल्कुल बराबर आ रहा है.
हाँ जी सर, बस बहुत सारी टैलेंट है सर इंडिया में, बस थोड़ा प्रॉपर गाइडेंस और वो सब का जरूरत है. बाकी ये अपना जो कम्युनिटी है मैंने कल ही ज्वाइन किया हुआ है ऐसे तो. हाँ तो मतलब बहुत सारे आइडियाज भी है. लेट मी शेयर एंड कम आउट विद दोस आइडियाज.
नाइस.
थैंक यू.
कम ज्योति.
यस सर, मेरी है ना सुरभि अरोड़ा के लिए एक सजेशन है कि वो बोल रही है कि मुझे 12th के और इसके स्टूडेंट्स चाहिए क्योंकि अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चालू हो गए, तो वो अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करती है. जैसे एक सर को अपनी जॉब से निकाला गया है, सर जॉब से निकाला गया है तो हमको उसको चैरिटी ना बता के हमको उसको सिखाना चाहिए कि आप इस टाइम को अच्छा कंज्यूम करके, अच्छा यूटिलाइज करके अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. उसके लिए हमको उसको सजेशन देना पड़ेगा, गाइड करना पड़ेगा कि हाउ टू स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस विद स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस वो शुरू कर सकती है अपने घर से सर, सुरभि अरोड़ा.
राइट.
टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करके सर.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
I would like to add something.
Yeah, और
Yes, go ahead, Sonia.
Actually, this person who's lost his job can connect with me because there is one person who needs one art.
Sonia, your voice is not clear.
This person has a lot of work. He wants to give work to people. So if the art teacher connects with me, I'll connect with this man.
Pardon, Sonia, is it pertaining to me?
The art
Art teacher, yeah. So how can I have your contact number if you can just give it? He's in Hoshangabad.
Okay. So it's online work. So he will be able
Okay, please.
99.
Just a minute. 9.
Just type in the chat
I'll
box.
chat it.
Chat
Yeah, I'll
box.
put it in the chat box.
Yeah, put it in the chat box is easy. So any question pertaining to the sales, the book writing and the webinar selling? Those people who have completed their courses already 6 sessions. Any questions from those people?
Regarding, I got one question.
Yes.
Regarding you were saying the other day that Apple is having only 1 or 2 models, while Samsung is having a couple of more models. So what is their strategy to come into the market and beat Apple also like that?
I didn't get your question, Vittal.
You were saying the other day that Apple has got only 3 or 4 products. And they are concentrating on that. But why other competitors like say, Samsung is having more number of products than Apple?
See, that is their
what is the strategy?
The strategy. I personally, a good marketer or branding consultant believes that the narrow your focus is better. The too much clutter confuses people. That's
how
why
you position your product.
Company Samsung is not.
It is how you position your product.
Yes,
this is all put on that only. Apple worked on the design. The design is good. The product is robust, and then the positioning. The pre-launch order booking.
Kailash, your voice is clear.
The Apple, that way they put kind of that it's not info.
अंकल से ना तो वहाँ पे एक लेडी ने बोला है कि इनके लिए
Hello, can you hear me?
ऑनलाइन काम है.
No,
can you
we
hear me
can't
now?
hear you clearly.
Can you? Okay. I'll take it up later.
Abhi clear hai, you can try one more time.
Okay. My point here is that the pre-launch order booking introduced by the Apple only, and they gave the aura to the product that it's not in everybody's reach. So they added to their product the status symbol. So that way they did not require too many products or too many models.
Right.
So this is how you position your product.
Right, absolutely. So if you have the marketing and a good brand consultant must believe that the narrow your focus is in the product line, not too many models. Simplify the things. Keep it simple and stupid. Everywhere in the management also we read.
Yes.
The more we simplify the thing, it's better for everyone to understand.
Earlier in the product launch, there were 4 P's being taught into the management schools, but now it is 7 P's. So includes the packaging, positionings, pricings, the product itself. So product itself comes very late. Pricing is also a very, very tricky questions, that how you price the product. See the example of liquor and the perfumes. Their pricing is not in comparison to the product cost.
Yes,
very high.
And see the commodities pricing, like the atta, you see.
Yes.
So the pricing is again a very, very difficult question. How you should price.
Absolutely. Thank you, Kailash, for sharing this.
Can I revisit the fund? Can I revisit the fund flow issue?
Yes, sure.
So we are a large corporate, and we had this fund flow issue in April. My average collections per month is about 70 crore rupees, but in April we had only 16 crore rupees collection only. and we had debtors about 250 crore plus. So we all got together and thought that how do we stimulate that? We took three things. One is that we incentivized the payment. Two, we took the moratorium where the cost was not to the company. Like we did not took the moratorium on the loan repayment, but we took the moratorium where the tax payments were there. Number three, we did the deferment of the salary, not deducted the salary, just the deferment of the salary. And it was amazing that in the month of May, we had 102 crore rupees collection. And in June, we had another 80 crore rupees collection. So that was almost we reached to the average level of the collection. And my fund flow issue gone away. And we just gave that 3% incentive for each and every payment. So that is how we brought the debtors down. We fought with the fund flow issue on two counts. One is to increase the collection, and second on getting the moratorium and deferment. So this is what I want to share with you all guys, that whatever your size of the business, you should think on both the things. Like in the energy segment, we do on the production and we do on the demand side management also. So on both the side, you should work on that. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity, Suresh sir.
Very nice, Kailash. Very nice. What a wonderful learning is going on today. It's a real mastermind turning out. I'm very happy for that. So, Avin Desai, you're asking about something like book writing. What is your question on that, Avin Desai?
Sir, basically, the selection of topic, that is a problem, and how to start writing, that is the problem.
Well, you haven't attended the session yet, huh?
No.
So when you
I just registered myself yesterday. Okay.
Yeah, so you will come to that session. There'll be a full 3-hour session on this thing, and you will know everything. But there is a recording available. I'll share the link if you want to go through that. You can do that. But we'll have a live session on that also, interactive.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yes,
anyone has tried the spin sales model or the NLP sales model? In the
Please
real
share,
life?
Suresh sir, please share the link for the book writing.
Yeah, I will share all 6 courses. What you have, 6 sessions you have bought are available. The recording also, and we'll be doing the live also every Saturday.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So anyone has applied that high ticket closer and the NLP closer or consultative selling in real life, in real term? I would like to learn from people that who have gone and implemented it. Anyone has finished the book or in halfway the book, except Vittal has finished the book and uploaded. Anna Vipal?
Yes.
Kailash, your voice is gone again.
So shall I interrupt, sir?
I led some 6 chapters book writing. So I'm eagerly looking forward for it.
Okay, nice. Yes, Sukumaran, you wanted to talk?
Yeah. It's regarding, this one business in the sense it is my passion also. It is something like a share trading. So one of my classmates, my engineering classmate, what he's doing means he's doing a lot of research, and he's giving every day some 5 or 10 share tips free of cost. He's not charging anything and all initially. And he will discipline us. He will ask how to proceed. How he will teach also. That is something like another passion. He's a chief engineer in Kerala government. This is the one now with a small amount, maybe with a 10,000, you can make every day 1,000 rupees. It is not like investment and taking on. It's only a day trading. Anybody interested? I will put my mobile number. I can link with you. Because it is I observe, because I'm doing a lot of things in that, I'm learning in another way. That all are the big ticket size play for a long run with an investment of maybe multi-fold. This is with a small amount daily with our capacity, whatever with our capacity. Because people will give, if you are having 10,000, they will give 1 lakh rupees trading level. And in his trick, you never lose. That is he will not allow, he will not ask you to buy now, today, for example, the rate is 100 rupees. In his system, he will ask you to put 105 the buy and 95 the sell. One may click, immediately click, you but start trailing, you will make benefit. Anybody interested with a small amount, and once you learn this what he is telling, that trick and all, it is a lifelong business. There is no need of anybody's support, any other people, and this market is not going to stop. Circuit company with 30 Salka pilot listed Habibi here, Bombay Stock Exchange. Correct, sir?
Yes.
It's every day giving money, all 5 days, you get something and you will not lose. If you lose also very minor, because that stop loss will be very nearby. I'll put my number. Anybody interested, try that, and he will start. He will not ask you to pay immediately with the paper trading, everything he will give it in online. You do that if you're really confident with 1 share, 2 shares, then depends your capacity, you can make money.
Thank you, Sukumar. I would like to touch upon e-commerce now. So we have experienced e-commerce. I've been e-commerce before Flipkart. So we had a business which failed miserably, moviemart.in. We lived in US and there we used Netflix service. So we started Netflix in India. It was very overhyped. We got interviewed on all major TV channels. Then Anil Ambani came with 500 crore investment. 70 mm from Bangalore came. I learned e-commerce, and after that we started selling perfume. We sold 1 crore worth of perfume every month online. And we have our own brand now, Nature's Absolute shampoos and pure oils and cold press oil. So I want to touch upon that is that business is growing right now. It was stopped only during lockdown, but after that there is I see the growth there. And anybody interested in e-commerce, there are 2 ways of doing it. One, either manufacture yourself or have a OEM done. Use someone else's facility, but under your brand and get it manufactured. So you can sell it online on your website, which can be done. Saransh is here. I would bring Saransh for a minute on the screen to throw light on this. So you can sell on Amazon, you can sell on Flipkart, and then you can sell on your own website. And he can run the ROI driven campaign. Like if you spend X amount of money, I've seen companies who do this kind of sales, they spend 10% on the whole marketing thing. So supposing you are having 50 lakh rupees sale every month, you spend 5 lakh rupees, you get 50 lakh rupees. So accordingly, you can slowly increase your spend and increase your sales. Very good space to be in. You all can find out, and if you want, I can do a whole session on this, that how to identify the hot selling products. Like we identified hot selling books and topics, we can similarly identify the hot selling products, and you can find out the manufacturers in your area, get the OEM done under your brand name. And then come online and we can, help you to upload on Amazon. And we have a lot of specialized services who sell on Amazon. And then Saransh can help you to build your website and then do a whole marketing campaign. He's a genius. He's a marketing genius in these areas. Saransh, would you like to come on this one for a minute? Saransh, are you there? This is the problem. One problem with Zoom, that people turn off their video and we don't know they are there or not. And this important section is getting such a great visibility here in front of everyone to share his knowledge, and he's not there.
But I'd like to tell you something about Zoom. The other day, 26 July, when you were having the webinar, so many of them were unable to connect. I don't know what went wrong with that day. A lot of people, I had forwarded the invitation to so many people. Most of them said they were unable to join the link. I don't know what was wrong that day.
That was not Zoom's problem. That was my problem. I screwed up.
Okay.
So what happened is we wanted to generate referral code for every one of you so that we can give you the referral what you call affiliate earnings. And then my people whoever registered till the evening were sent, but lot of people same night registered, and they were not sent the Zoom registration link. So though they registered, but that data came into our database. They did not get the Zoom registration. Normally, we were uploading the data on Zoom and registering them from the back end. That did not happen from our side. So that was our mistake.
Okay.
So anyone wants to have some discussion on e-commerce? Very important space. We have expertise in that. We're doing lots and lot of business. We're doing 500 orders a day just in 2 years. With as small as investment 10 to 15 lakh rupees. That's it. And we're doing around 2 crore worth of business every year. And it's growing.
Sir, Amay here. I would like to speak.
Who?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, Amay Kulkarni here.
Yeah, Amay, go ahead.
I would like to know about this e-commerce since I am a distributor located at Pune.
Yeah, what do you want to know, Amay?
How can this e-commerce business help me out?
See, I told you that e-commerce identify the product which has a high demand.
Okay.
And then get it manufactured outside with your own brand. Because if you sell someone else's brand, there is no entry barrier. 10 more people will come and you'll compete on the price and you'll cut each other out.
True.
So get your high selling products which has a ticket size of over 500 rupees minimum.
Okay.
And then identify the product which has a high demand, something like, skin care or FMCG or something, and get it manufactured under your brand name, or supplement what, initially one of the speaker suggested. That something like this supplement, vitamin C and all these things, you can, get it manufactured. And then list it on Amazon and Flipkart and get your website made from Saransh and have a marketing thing, and a very low investment you can start a business which will be ever growing.
Right.
This is also a recession-proof business.
Right.
So on
right.
a supplement, your margins are like thing cost you 100 rupees, you can sell it for 1,000. This one is 1100 rupees, vitamin C.
Okay.
So supplements are very, very expensive. Study that market or any other thing you can come up with. But start with 500. Less than 500, you will not be able to make money. But the marketing expenses are heavy.
Okay. Okay. Right, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, that one, what you told that online business, that is how to identify that product then. Because I am trying some OEM that for marketing with my brand.
So if there is a lot of people demand this subject, I can take the next mastermind on this, purely on e-commerce.
Would like to do so.
Because from last
Let us
1
please
year,
do this. It is like next week. It will be great. Thank you.
because I'm not come to an end, which product should I launch? That confusion is still there.
So I'm putting a poll here. How many people want this e-commerce session? I will cover in the next Tuesday mastermind.
I have put, sir.
No, I'm sending you the survey right now.
Okay, I put it in a chat box.
Not in chat box. Everyone is got the survey.
No, I haven't.
Now I'm sending.
Yeah, it has come. Yeah.
Now everyone click.
Done, sir.
Can we, sir? Can I come in?
1 second. The poll is coming and it will end in a minute. Okay, so 98% are saying yes. Only 7% saying no. Okay, so it's basically yes. अरे ये किसका सायरन बज रहा है? So next Tuesday we'll prepare a session on e-commerce, and then we'll guide you on that.
I have to say something. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, Deepak.
Can I invite one of my friends, because me and him are planning to start something on e-commerce. Can I invite my friend along?
Tell him to join Turbo Sales Blueprint. यार free में क्यों करा रहे हो? This is for the community.
उसको मैंने लिंक भेजा था. He was based off Hong Kong for 25 years. He has stayed in Hong Kong. Now he has come back to India.
Small amount.
So,
tell him to pay that small amount, and then he can become part of the community. Na,
चलो,
every Tuesday he can come.
आप मेरे को है ना टर्बो लिंक का इसका लिंक एक बार और भेजो, मैं उसको ज्वाइन करने को बोलता हूँ.
CLM में ले आओ तो और बढ़िया है ना.
I'll tell him first to come with this. CLM में तो definitely मैं आया, उसको बाद में बोलूँगा. First let me pitch him this.
Yeah, at least bring him here, get the taste of what we are, some amazing work we are doing here.
ठीक है, good. I'll tell him. He has got vast experience.
Okay. We want tajarbekar people like you and him on the board.
Yeah. I'll tell him. Chalo.
So next session, next Tuesday we'll do on e-commerce.
How you
and I'll suggest you one more thing, sir. Sir, I'll suggest you one more thing. Suresh sir, आप है ना तजुर्बा ज्वाइन करने के लिए you just develop a payment link wherein people have to directly pay you directly from their account or a credit card, however they want to pay. जैसे दूसरे links आते हैं ना पेमेंट के, बैंक्स के वगैरह के, वीपे पॉलिसीज वगैरह. Develop a link. That link आप forward करोगे, ये link पे आप पैसा भरो and you become the member. Do something like that. Instead of doing NEFT and RTGS, that will be a better option.
Yeah, we have a Razorpay link also, Deepak.
InstaMojo.
We have Razorpay. But we are not, right now, we will take the memberships after the chapter meeting start, Deepak. Right now, we're taking for the trainings. And training के through members बना रहे हैं.
ठीक है.
But I'll send you the link anyway.
Sir, how you are taking survey on this Zoom? Can you guide us? I have not taken.
See at the bottom you see polls.
I'm not able.
There are buttons.
That will be available only to the host.
Oh, ये कौन है भाई? Who is this guy? So you have mute, you have stop video, security, participant, polls.
Sir, poll is available only to the host.
Okay, tabhi you can't.
Okay.
See, all the people are so smart.
Sir, I have something to say to Deepak sir.
Yeah.
So I think to join CLM is the right time is this time because people have enough and more time now.
Correct.
After the lockdown, once everything starts operating, then people might be a little occupied. So best time is now to start with the CLM.
I'll tell you, lockdown already has come down in Mumbai. People are back on work full force.
Yeah, there is no lockdown anymore.
With me, it has happened this whole week. I was so occupied since last 10-15 days. I'm unable to come into the chats. I missed 2 sessions where people are back on fit over here, and it is with bang now. The workload is superb. I'm happy to have that much workload now.
Yeah. Chalo, theek hai. So
now we become addict to our tajurba. Na? We cannot spend that. We cannot leave that time. Come back to our routine also. In mobile, we will start that time. Because I kept all the
Gallup test.
Not done.
Take the Gallup test. By this Saturday is all Gallup session. बहुत बढ़िया है यार ये.
It is costly, na, sir.
Sir, I have some query on that. Gallup test. So by any chance, when we start the test and if we are unable to complete, so we can re-log in and start the test, right?
Yeah, it gives you 20 seconds to answer any question because they want first thought comes to your mind.
Okay.
So if you miss anything, if you miss lot many questions, it tell you to retest.
Okay.
And if you lose 1 or 2 questions, that's okay.
Okay. I have a network problem at my place since 2-3 days. So I didn't register thinking if in between if it stops and if I am unable
that's
to.
That's not a problem. This is a very robust site. You will log in and do it.
Okay.
What is the condition in Pune? It's a lot of COVID now.
Yes, sir. Almost 1,000 per day.
More than that.
So Suresh sir, just brief us about this Gallup. what exactly, what kind of questions are there? Just
See,
brief
this
us
is a
something about
test
that.
gives you natural talent. So in an example, I'll tell you that if you tell a fish to climb a tree, so fish's natural strength is not to climb the tree. Fish's natural strength is to swim fast.
Correct.
And a monkey's strength is to climb the tree. So
Correct.
you can use your talents and natural strength to achieve your goals in a better way. Like I'm an achiever. Like, and my execution is very strong. Whatever I say, you have seen, I'll work till 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., I'll complete my task. And I'll execute what I need to. But my ideation is very, very on the lower side. It's that they give you 34 strength. So my ideation is say at the 32. But my son's ideation is he's always thinking. And we had a problem that I give him any work, he will not finish. And we had this relationship frustration that why can't you finish this work? So now I realize that he's very good at ideation. So now we sit down, I say, give me some out of the box idea. How do I my training? He'll give me the idea and I'll execute.
Okay.
So you know your strength and accordingly you can, now our whole family has done that test. So we know each other's strength and we complement each other. Instead of getting frustrated that, the person is not performing the job. But the person is different level. He's a fish. I'm telling him to climb the tree.
Okay.
So that way, if you get this, then all the multinational, all US presidents, they go through this test. Accenture and all, they will not take anybody on the job without the test and give him the work according to his strength so that everybody is performing at the optimum level.
I saw somebody had posted the results. I was unable to understand how the scoring was done.
So this is a 1 hour test, cost you $49 on their site.
Yeah.
And 177 questions. And then within 5 minutes doing it, you get your report. And I'm doing everything because it will be the group. I'll take everyone toward each strength from one by one and explain the strength and ask questions, and you will be able to resonate one of the strength is woo. You people are here all because of that strength, but I'm a great networker.
Correct.
So that is my top strength as a woo. I network, I go out, talk to people, build relationships all around the world.
Okay.
So people who are asking, Gallup is, part of the course people are doing, this 1 year course people upgraded. It's called Complete Life Mastery. So it's a business and life combined. So we do business coaching, we do life coaching, and 2 Saturdays in a month, first and third Saturday, and one-to-one coaching session every month, hand-holding and guiding and mentoring. So that is a lot of people, around 55 to 60 people are enrolled in that, and we're doing it 2 times a Saturday. This coming Saturday, we're doing Gallup session. And Gallup coaches normally charge around 2 lakh rupees plus. The minimum charge is someone who's a struggler and not found his feet yet will charge 75,000 rupees for the whole Gallup 34 strengths to explain.
Sir, which one will have to take up this $15? There are 2 things.
Yeah, so $15 and $20 is for only 5 strengths. If anyone has got financial issue, can take 5. Report you can download later by paying difference. But it's advisable since I'm covering all 34 strengths, so do it 34.
It's around $50.
Sir, I paid it.
Sir, when I paid $89 2 years ago.
Sir, I paid, it came around 3,700 rupees, sir, for the all 34 strengths.
Yeah, so that's $50. Huh?
It is 4,080, I think. 4,480.
So they are giving discount. 3,600 it was coming.
Correct.
Okay.
So when I did it, I paid 4 lakh rupees to become a trainer, and I paid $89 to get this test done.
Hello, it makes very good. Sounds good.
Yeah, so Saturday is going to be a very important session. Everyone who is into CLM must complete this test.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, Mr. Deepak Kohli is asking for the CLM charges. If you could just explain.
CLM charges are 5,000 rupees a month plus GST. 60,000. If you pay one time, then it is 51,000 plus GST.
Yes.
And but that 5,000 plus GST means you pay
5,900
and then balance PDCs or without reminder. If you make me do reminder, I'll say goodbye. No reminders here. Just pay every month. So Preeti is given 11 checks. Some people are paid quarterly. That's also okay. Saransh and Deepak is paid quarterly. Vittal is paid everything one time. He saved 9,000 rupees.
Yes.
स्मार्ट बैंकर है ना, ये सोचेगा ब्याज गिनेगा, बैंक से लोन लेके दे देता हूँ सस्ता पड़ेगा.
I got IBS today, so I couldn't make it immediately.
For me, the scene was different. For me, Saturdays is the busiest day. So I just wanted to see how I am able to cope up with that Saturday. But now you have shown me the other side also, that you can look at it afterwards. Because whole day session, I will still suggest you break it into 2-3 parts. The whole day session it's for Saturdays. For my kind of business, it is very difficult to sit for a whole day. That day also I had attended for some hours, then I went for my work. We cannot attend full day. Saturday is the busiest day of the week.
चलो, we'll take a poll on that, ना?
Yeah, okay.
Saturday को poll ले लेते हैं कि क्या कहते हैं सब लोग.
ठीक है.
And those who are interested, send me a WhatsApp message directly. I'll tell you the curriculum. Basically, I tell you one thing. There are a lot of subjects. 24 subjects will be covered already. And you are paying for one-to-one. That is the great value. Rest all is bonus.
Thank you.
Because one-to-one every month and hand-holding and take your goal setting, your action points every month will be a huge value. I can see that. I've turned around a lot of people's lives.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, my one-to-one is scheduled on 30th. I'm super excited.
30th? Good. Nice.
Just 2 days to go.
Okay. See you there.
Yes.
You will feel just like now we are talking, you know. That will make you comfort in the first 5 minutes. Don't worry.
Okay,
we all had the one-to-one.
Okay, guys. So good night.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Bye.